So hi everybody and welcome back to Unreal Engine 5 full game tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 5 and in this video we create our start point. First of all, if you created a third person template, you should see something like that. And now we go here on top, file and a new level, and we click on empty and create. And we have now our new level and we have to save that. But before we can save that, we go here on bottom, click on content drawer, and this is our file system. Important is here the content. You have to put everything here in. You can already see here are some folders for the third person template which we created, but we create a new folder. Right click for this one here in a space, go on new folder, name it, I called it my little adventure, and then I set also underscore medial core for finding it very fast. And then you have your start folder. This is your project folder where you will put everything in. Then before we go on, we can right click on this folder and go here to set color if you want to highlight this a little bit from the other folders. So you go here, new color, here is just a color picker. Or you can just use this one here or write this one. And after you did this one, then your folder has a color, and then you double click on your folder, and here we need subfolders because the project have different areas. Here is the map which we want saved, so we go here, right click, new folder, and you can call it map or level because this is used a lot. I called mine level, and then again medial core, this additional for finding easier names. And after you created this one, we can go here on top, then here save current level as, and then select the just created map, the folder level, and then call this. I called this one level 1. You can call it map or main menu or whatever you like. And then you save that, and then you have this one. And this is all for this part, but we want not go on here. We want go back to the third person template. So we go here on top, we click on open level, we try to find the third person template. If you can't find it, you can click on content here on top right level. This one pops here up, but when you write map, you can see it pops up here other levels or maps. And this is the third person template. We open this one up and we are here. And with that said, we will talk a little bit more about the editor, and there is one very helpful part here on top. It says here help. You go here and click on level editor documentation, then it pops up here a web page. And on this web page, you can read already about the level here and more specific things and more in detail. And we will talk about this one as well. There are more help the websites, forums, dev forums, and so on. This can help you. You should peek a little bit there because in the next video we go and do here a little prototype about this level. So if you have any questions like all time, write in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye and good luck.